Hi teachers, good morning. Today we are going to learn how to create Zoom link for the students. This is a good app for online session. Now we have to click the Zoom app. Yes, in this four icons are there. In this, since I'm going to create a link for Zoom online session, I have to click here schedule icon. Schedule icon is the third one, so I have to click this third one. In this place I have to schedule the timing as well as date also. So here any meeting or topic related or subject name, anything I can give. So here it is mentioned my name and Zoom meeting. So we can mention here like Karen Zoom meeting. The date I have to change by clicking the day date. Automatically it will come. We have to change the date as 23rd April 2020 as set. Then the starting time from um, yes 10 a.m. If you want to change am pm, click on am, automatically change into pm. So now see there, am pm automatically change. So 10 a.m. set. Since it is 40 minutes class, it will show the time limit for us. So it won't be like a end time. The 40 minutes, it won't be the end time. It will automatically disconnect and it will give it will allow us to continue more than 40 minutes also. The extra from 41st minute onwards, it will disconnect us and automatically we have to sign in again. Then automatically we can connect with all the students. Then we have to click the two time up to, since I gave 10 o'clock, since it is 40 minutes class, so we'll give 40 10:40 a.m. Click set. Here also it will show okay, done. Now very important, we have to select the time zone. Then only when we send the link to the students, they will know exactly what time zone. Since many countries they are using this, so many countries time zones are there. We can select here either Kolkata or Mumbai Kolkata New Delhi. Here I am selecting Mumbai Kolkata New Delhi. I have selected this. Then the remaining is host video on, participant video on. That's it. Then if I click, if you see right hand side top corner, done button is there. If you click that, done, automatically it will process for our Zoom meeting. Like this it may come, or it may sometimes in some other mobile phone directly WhatsApp will come. We can do one thing, like by clicking Gmail, it will go to the Gmail app. In this place automatically a link will be created. In this place I have to select the content what is given here, then copy all the content. Now you can see what I have selected. Select like this and copy. Then do one thing, click, go to the WhatsApp, and in this place, for example, if I'm going to send for 12 b2 boys, click this and click here, paste, and click the send button. Automatically it will go like this. Madhu Mohan is inviting you to schedule Zoom meeting. The topic what I have mentioned there, care and Zoom meeting, will come like this. So time April 23 2020 10 a.m. Mumbai Kolkata New Delhi. This is the time zone. So the join Zoom meeting, that blue color, all this the three line is a link for our Zoom meeting. That's it. Thank you teachers. Bye.